Hey guys, Ed here, and in this quick video I would like to show you how to change the headlight bulbs in this 2008 Nissan Xterra. So let's start. It's actually a very simple procedure and I'll show you. So let's pop the hood. Move the latch to the left and raise the hood up. Secure it. Alright, so here we have our actually light and the bulbs. So right now the bulb is connected over here. So what we do, remove the connector first and then get the bulb out. Okay, it's gonna be easier. So press here and then unscrew. That's gonna be easier. We just spin this white piece, spin it, move it a little bit, and now we are able to just pull out the bulb from here. You can see it's very simple. Okay, so once we change the bulb and we switched with the new one, same way, put it in. You can actually, first of all, you have to make sure that this middle piece, the gray one, is solid, and then spin the white piece. Also find the correct position. And okay, now when everything is nice and firm, that's when you put. Okay guys, so hope this helps. If it does, please press the like button and have a great day. Bye.